Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very cool and interesting vintage 90s Seiko chronograph watch with the Moonphase and the alarm function. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use the chrono function on this particular model and similar ones. Now if you enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like it, and also leave a comment. And also, if you want to buy this particular model or other watches from our videos, make sure to check out the link in the description below or go to vintageradar.com, as we have thousands of vintage pieces for sale. As you can see here on the right side, because we have the alarm function, we do not have a pusher. This is actually the crown that you can use in order to set the alarm. So in order to use the chronograph, we will be using these two pushers. Now, in order to start it, we simply use the one on the top right side. And also, if you want to pause it and then continue, you use the one on the right side. Now, if you want to reset it, simply press it one more time and then reset it to 12. So we'll be using the one on the top left side in order to reset it. So guys, that is how we use the chrono function on these kind of vintage Seiko chronograph Moonphase watches with the alarm function as well. Once again guys, if you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Thank you guys, and see you next time.